Welcome back to the channel, guys. Doing an unboxing today. It is my second machine. The first one that I bought did not last very well, so this is it. It's a pressure machine for my blood pressure, so I can check. Come with a bag inside. This is the machine itself. The machine itself, again, we have to connect it. Of course, there's no battery. I have to put battery. I think I have battery for it. The bag that you have to put around your arms. Oh! So you have the bag. It does come with battery. Oops. Come with Okay, here we're going to hook it up. Normally you should have an on button. Where is it? Okay. Make sure it's tight. And draw it closer. My hands have to be relaxed. My back. I need to be. Yeah, I need to stay comfortable. Okay. 130, that's not what we want. 130 over 94. So, yes, sometimes you have to relax a bit more because sometimes I measure it 3 times and the third one is like the lowest. So, if you went out and you were busy doing something, you have to be really relaxed so you can really measure it. So we're gonna do it one more time. It was 130 over 90. 136. That's not good. Okay, one last time. Okay, the one underneath it's been going down, but the one above it's remained on 130. Now it's 132. So we already know. I'm going to put the chart in the camera to show you guys for the person, for anyone who just starting to have this, and you know exactly what does it mean. So the final last one was 132 over 82. So the one below it's okay, but the one above is too high. So I'm somewhere pretty high. I'm somewhere at the pre-level. So yeah, this was everything I wanted to share with you guys today. Just unboxing the new machine that I got. It was recommended by my doctor to get this one because the one I had before previously, the thing got burst. So I got a new one now, so then I can make sure I can check my weight, my pressure every now and then. So I can just monitor it and make sure that it's on a good state. Yes. So again, you know, this channel I started it because I had this blood pressure that was going high. I think it's about 4 years now. I think 5 even, because I started this channel when I just got this because I started to make some research and find out like there are certain things, certain foods you have to start eating so it can help you maintain the level of your pressure. And so that's exactly why I have this channel, is all around me changing my lifestyle, the way I eat, work out, so that I can maintain my blood pressure level, because it was always too high and I needed to come, you know, in the regular state. So yeah, basically if you're new and if you have this condition as well, I have a lot of recipes that you can prepare at home that will help you stabilize it. I think about 2 to 3 years I was able to manage, it was stabilized, but the last few years it was going up and down. The doctor also changed my pills, so I still need to understand why. Maybe I was under a little stress. I was finishing my school, graduating, and then right after that planning a wedding, so it was a lot. So it could be that I was a bit stressful, or it could be that the new medicine they gave me last year, that still my body haven't get used to it as yet. So that's why I decided when the other one broke, so I decided to buy a new one so I can keep track. And now I've got some new recipe. If you guys can check out my new videos, I have a lot of juice recipe. All of these are pertaining to someone who has high blood pressure, who wants to maintain it. And I've also found a new vegetables called coyote, and I already start. I'm making the tea with it. I'm drinking the tea, and that also helped it lower it down, because last week Friday, yeah, it's been a week now, last week Friday was 120 over 80. So definitely this week something else. Oh, last week I was also drinking my red beet juice. Maybe that also helped. So I'm gonna make a smoothie tomorrow with the red beets, and maybe that also pertain to it. And I also drank the coyote tea 3 times last week. So I really think those was really helping it as well. And like I said, I've been cooking at home, so it's not like I'm eating out. So definitely guys, if you have any tips, any kind of recommendation, information, let me know in the comment section below. I would gladly love to learn more how to take care of myself more. Like I said, I've changed my whole diet just to have a healthier lifestyle. So definitely let me know in the comment section if you have anything else that I haven't been doing yet. Check the other videos and let me know, and then yeah, definitely that would be great. So thank you again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.